The mode of transportation. Vehicle names for kids. Car. Car is a land transport. Car. Jeep. Jeep is a land transport. Jeep. Van. Van is a land transport. Van. Bus. Bus is a land transport. Bus. Bus. Lorry. Lorry is a land transport. Lorry. Lorry. Bicycle. Bicycle is a land transport. Bicycle. Motorcycle. Motorcycle is a land transport. Motorcycle. Horse cart. Horse cart is a land transport. Horse cart. Auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw is a land transport. Auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw. Aeroplane. Aeroplane is a air transport. Aeroplane. Helicopter. Helicopter is a air transport. Helicopter. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon is a air transport. Hot air balloon. Boat. Boat is a water transport. Boat. Boat. Hatch. Hatch is a water transport. Hatch. Ship. Ship is a water transport. Ship. Ship. Subscribe Ivy Kids for more videos. Thank you for watching.